guys, welcome back to another video. And today, hold on, I'm gonna go get something. I have kinetic sand here. If you guys don't know what kinetic sand is, it's just pretty much sand, colored sand that you can play with. It never, ever, it never dries out. Okay? So back here, I have some cars. One is actually a really old car. I have a semi-truck, a Chevy. It's either an Impala or a Monte Carlo. This is the one that's really old. And then I have this one. Okay, we're going to be covering all three of these once and dropping them. Okay, so yeah. First, we are going to be dropping the Impala / Monte Carlo. Okay, you guys, so I have everything. I got the Monte Carlo in the ball. I just got to cover a few spots, and then it's going to be pretty good. Okay, I'm going to be dropping it in 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Okay, can you guys see it? The car is actually okay. I thought the kinetic sand was going to explode. So the next car we're going to be wrapping is this white car. I have the car wrapped in here. It actually went out pretty good. I'm surprised none of the parts are really like sticking out or anything. There's this one part, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. Okay, I'm dropping it in 3, 2, 1. It actually exploded. Yo, the car went off camera. Okay, you guys, the last car we're gonna drop test is the semi-truck, the fast lane semi-truck. It looks in really good shape. I have the car in here. And I'm gonna be dropping it in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was an explosion. Okay, so I'm gonna clean all this up. And the car is okay. So, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Stay freaky and peace.